Hey guys, so here's the first question that's going to be on the review. It says Mr. Smith was making groups for his PE class. He has 24 girls and 32 boys in his class. What is the greatest number of groups that Mr. Smith can make if he wants to put the same number of girls in each group and the same number of boys in each group? So the first thing I'm going to point out is this bold underlined word greatest. That tells us that we're going to try to find the greatest common factor, the GCF. And in order to do that, I'm going to use the ladder method. And I hope you did too. 24 and 32. The ladder method draws the little line under it. And then you're thinking of a number that goes into both 24 and 32. Okay, if you started with 2, 4, or 8, all will get you to the right answer. They all go in. If I started with 4, 4 goes into 24 6 times. 4 goes into 32 8 times. Again, you might have started with a different number when you tried this one on your own, and that's okay. You'll still get the same answer. Then I'm thinking, okay, does anything go into 6 and 8? And I know that 2 goes into both of those. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 8 4 times. And then I think, can anything besides 1 go into 3 and 4? And no, so I'm done. Now the GCF, the greatest common factor, is the numbers on this side. And what I do with these two numbers is I multiply them. So 4 times 2 is 8. So I would be able to make 8 groups of students for PE. Okay. Then on the bottom, there's 2 extra questions. It says, how many girls will go into each group? Well, if I'm looking at how many girls, he had 24 girls. So this number here is my girls. If there's 24 girls and I'm dividing them into 8 groups, there will end up being 3 girls. Right? 24 divided by 8 is 3. How many boys will go into each group? 32 boys. So boys is 32. 32 boys divided into 8 groups gives me 4. So 4 boys in each group. And that would be number 1.